Hello and welcome. This winter, because of COVID, your visit to the ski slope will be different than it used to be. In this video, we'll show you the changes made to protect guests in the lodges, on the lifts, and on the slopes. We're at Blue Mountain in Pennsylvania, and the protocols they've adopted are used by many areas.
The first change is lift tickets. You must buy them online, and quantities may be limited. So if you wake up one morning and it's dumping snow, don't expect to run to the slopes and get a ticket. If you do, this is what you'll find. The same thing applies to lessons and rentals. Purchase online and redeem your codes here. You should plan on dressing and booting up in the parking lot. There's limited seating in the lodge. Tables here are no longer available. And the drop-off areas have been eliminated. You need to wear a mask anytime indoors, in the lift lines, on the lifts, or whenever you can't socially distance. Most people are courteous and spread out in the lift lines. You won't be expected to ride the lifts with people who are not part of your party. Most areas with gondolas and high-speed lifts follow this same policy. Singles may elect to ride with other singles if they sit on the ends of the chair, on quads and six-packs. At the top of the lifts and on the slopes, most people are good at maintaining social distance. For eating and drinking, the seating options have changed. There are fewer seats indoors, but more seats outdoors. You can purchase food and drinks at food trucks or outdoor counters and never have to enter the buildings. But if you do want to eat or drink indoors, the bars and restaurants are open with limited seating. One thing that hasn't changed because of COVID is the fun you'll have on the snow. Sharing that fun with family and friends never gets old.
In spite of all these changes, you can still have an awesome day on the snow. You'll still be outdoors enjoying a sport you love. The lifts will still take you to the top of the mountain. The trails will lead you down. You'll be able to get food and drink when you need it. One thing you won't be able to do is mingle with large groups of people in the bar or the lodge after being on the snow. But that'll come back eventually, we're sure of it. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, subscribe. It's a little windy up here today. Despite these changes, you can still have an awesome day on the snow. You'll be outside, enjoying a sport you love. The lifts will still take you to the top of the mountain. The trails will still bring you down. You can get food or drink if you need it. One thing you can do is meet with a large group of people in the lodge or the bar after the ski. That'll come back eventually, we're sure. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, subscribe.